Wow! Look at all the cool construction truck friends! A dump truck, a cement mixer, and a bulldozer! Ready for a fun adventure by the river! Here comes the dump truck with a full load of dirt! Yay! Vroom, vroom! Uh-oh! Be careful! Whoa! Splash! He took a cool dive right into the water! Driving on the narrow bridge! Oops! He fell in too! Look! He's making fun splashes in the water! It's the green cement mixer's turn! Yay! Go, go, go! Woohoo! Let's go to the end of the road! Sploosh! I guess the cement mixer wanted to go for a swim! Huh? He just pushed him in! What a silly trickster! Now the bulldozer is driving on the train track! Woohoo! Choo-choo! Yay! He's so fast! Plop! He made a cool jump into the sea! A bigger bulldozer appeared! Vroom, vroom! Woohoo! Splash! It's a water party for everyone today! The trucks are back again! Woohoo! Yay! Whoopsie! They all fell in together! What a funny splashy mess! But wait! Who is coming from far away? It's the big, strong blue tow truck! Wow! The tow truck uses his powerful crane to lift the dump truck. Woohoo! Heave-ho! Up, up, up you go! Next, it's time to rescue the cement mixer! Yay! And the last one! He hooks the bulldozer and lifts him right out of the water. Everyone is rescued and safe. Yay! The dump truck, the cement mixer, the bulldozer, and our awesome hero, the tow truck. What a super fun adventure! See you next time, friends!
Red dump truck goes splash, splash, splash in the water with a happy dash. Yellow bulldozer goes plop, plop, plop. He can't wait, he just won't stop. Green cement mixer goes swoosh, swoosh, swoosh to the river with a bubbly whoosh. Splash together, trucks hooray. Fun and games in the water today.
Early in the morning, the toy cars are all lined up for a big mission. The blue safety car is getting ready to go first. Wow! The safety car bravely jumps into the river. Splash! Next up is the big white ambulance. It's moving quietly. The ambulance slides slowly and coolly into the water. The yellow concrete pump truck is ready to go too. Let's go! Huh? The pump truck is sinking deep in the water. The yellow taxi is racing off. Vroom! The taxi is speeding on the water like a boat. It's so fast. A brave red fire truck is preparing for action. It looks so serious. Oh my! The fire truck made a huge splash. The fire truck is moving quietly through the clear water. A cool black and white police car is approaching. What's happening? The police car zips across the water with its lights flashing. Wow, this time it's a huge truck carrying 2 red cars. Oh no, the cars are sinking into the water. The big truck has vanished deep into the water. Here comes the white ambulance van. Whew, whew. The ambulance is moving calmly through the water. Hello, fishy. A blue cement mixer truck. It looks so big and strong. The mixer truck is spinning its drum in the water. Swish, swish. The yellow patrol car rushes out like the wind. The patrol car slides across the water, shining brightly. The second blue safety car is starting its mission now. The safety car is floating quietly on the water. Is it taking a break? It's a super long oil tanker truck. It's so big. Crash! The tanker truck split into a cab and a trailer. The separated parts are drifting away in the water. The concrete pump truck from before is back. Mission number 2. The pump truck sinks quietly into the water once again. A yellow dump truck has arrived, pulling a trailer. The dump truck is moving bravely forward, even in the water. The super ambulance is ready for its next mission. The super ambulance is swimming smoothly through the water. It's a fire truck with a really long ladder. So cool. Flash, the ladder disappeared in a giant splash of water. This time, it's an olive-colored army truck. It looks so tough. The army truck is making its way through the deep water. Are these the last ones? A yellow dump truck and a bulldozer are here together. The little yellow dump truck excitedly dives into the water first. The big bulldozer is making the water muddy as it goes in. The bulldozer is working hard on its mission in the muddy water. Now the bulldozer is moving through the quiet middle of the river. The day's missions are all done. All of the cars are floating on the river. The little yellow dump truck is resting peacefully under the moonlight. The fire truck's emergency light is glowing faintly in the water. The blue safety car is also floating peacefully on the night river. Everyone finished their missions and is resting under the night sky. Good job, everyone!
Morning sun is shining bright. Toy cars lined up in the light. A secret mission, brave and true. So many things for us to do. First, the safety car so blue. Splash right it into the water new. Giant ambulance slides in slow. Concrete pump sinks down below. Yellow taxi, fast and free. Skips across the water, look at me. Splash into the blue. Our big adventure, me and you. Down the ramp and in we glide. On a secret river ride. Red fire truck with a mighty sound makes the biggest splash around. Police car with its lights so bright, zipping past with all its might. Car carrier with its precious load sinks beneath the river road. Splash and zoom into the blue. A big adventure, me and you. Down the ramp and in we glide. On a secret river ride. Ambulance van says hi to fish. Cement mixer with a swish, swish, swish. Patrol car is on the chase. Oil tanker brakes all over the place. Separated, floating wide. Nowhere left for them to hide. Golden sun is setting low. One last mission, here we go. Little dumper and bulldozer strong. Churning mud the whole day long. Pushing, plowing side by side. Beneath the twilight, see them ride. Splash and zoom into the blue. Our big adventure, me and you. Down the ramp and in we glide. On a secret river ride. Mission's over, the day is done. Floating softly, one by one. Underneath the moon and stars so deep. All our toy cars fall asleep. Fall asleep.
Wow, my yellow dump truck. We're at the beach. Look at the big ocean. What adventure will we have today? All right, let's get started. Vroom, vroom. Rolling along, so strong and steady over the pebbles. It's so much fun when all my friends come with me. I wonder what's over that little hill. Let's go see. Down in the pebbles, I see something red. I found it! It's a cool ladder fire truck. Shh, I'll get you out very carefully. We don't want you to get hurt. Gotcha! Right out of the pebbles. Hello, little fire truck. Your ladder is so long, it could almost touch the sky. Okay, time to get in the truck. Your friends are waiting. Yay! We have a new friend with us now. Time to find the next one. Let's go. Who could be hiding between these big gray rocks? Stop! I see something white and black over there. Wow, a brave police car. So nice to meet you. I'm going to get you. You're caught. Hehe. The police car is safely in the back. Now we're extra safe. I wonder who else is hiding. Hiding. Gasp! It's a white ambulance next to the wood. Are you okay? I'll help you out. Are you hurt? Let's get you to the safe truck. Wee woo, wee woo. The ambulance is on board. Our team is so awesome. Who will be next? I think I see something shiny. Oh my goodness, a sparkly purple sports car. It's so pretty. Zoom, quick like a flash. I've got you now.
Let's put the pretty sports car next to its new friends. Picking up friends, la 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 la. Driving by the sea. The sunset is so pretty. Hey, I see more red. It's a mail truck. Where are you going with all those letters? You must be tired. Come on, I'll give you a ride. The mail truck is in. Let's all go together. I have to find more before it gets too dark. Whoa, an oil tanker with a giant tank. Heave ho! It looks heavy, but I can lift it. Carefully now, little tanker. There, everyone's in. It's getting dark. I think I see another fire truck. This one is a pumper truck. So strong. It's nighttime, so quietly, I'll lift you gently. Now we have 2 fire truck friends. The ocean is so dark at night. What's that long thing over there? Whoa! A long train. It looks so cool and fast. It looks like a train that can fly. I'll lift it way up high. The train is long, so I'll put it in long ways. Hello, Mr. Moon. Please light the way. Is anyone else hiding? Found one. A yellow bulldozer. It's the same color as me. Lifting the strong bulldozer. It looks so tough. The back is almost full now. Amazing! All right, now we're heading to the water. Everyone hold on tight. This is so cool. The truck is going in the ocean. There's a friend who can float on the water. My last friend gets the most special seat of all. Ta-da! I found all my friends. This was the best adventure ever.
Yellow toy pop dump truck here. Vroom, vroom. Adventure at the beach is near. Let's go. Who is hiding? Can you see? Come and find our friends with me. A flash of red among the stones. The brave fire ladder truck now shows. Wee woo. The ladder reaching for the sky. It can climb up oh so high. Hop in the back. Your friend number 1. Behind the rocks a hero waits. The police car opens up the gates. Nina! Flashing lights of red and blue. It keeps us safe. Me and you hop in the back. Our trusty friend. Is someone hurt beside the tree? The ambulance is here for thee. Wee woo. Helping everyone feel good just like a friendly hero should. Hop in the back. Our gentle friend. A purple shimmer, what a sight. The super speedy sports car ride. Zoom! Racing faster than the breeze. It drives around with so much ease. Hop in the back. Our exciting friend. 1 friend, 2 friends, 3 friends, 4. Now we have so many more. With all our colors side by side. What a fun and happy ride. delivering mail in sun or rain, the busy little postal van. Beep, beep, bringing letters full of cheer every day throughout the year. Hop in the back, our helpful friend. A big white tank that's round and wide, the mighty oil tanker rolls with pride. Slosh, slosh. It carries fuel for cars to drink, a very important job, I think. Hop in the back, our powerful friend. Another hero, brave and red, the sturdy fire pumper truck instead. Swish, swish, with the water cannon strong and true, it puts up ice for me and you. Hop in the fearless friend. A long shape in the fading light, the futuristic Johnson so bright. Choo, choo, choo. The fastest train you'll ever see, as modern as a train can be. Hop in the back, our special friend. You're yellow, hey, just like me. The ground-pushing bulldozer, yippee! Rumble, rumble! It moves the dirt and heavy stones with mighty rumbles and mighty groans. Hop in the back, our awesome friends. Splashing in the sea, the last friend's a hovercraft for me. Flop, flop, flop! Right on top, the best you get. All our friends together set. Hooray! The toy pop friends are the best.
A happy excavator loves digging in the dirt. Oh no! Now it's all dirty and so sad. But a gentle hand comes to the rescue. Into a rainbow bucket? Where am I? Wow! A tickly water washes all the dirt away. Sparkly clean and happy again. Brr! This poor bulldozer is shivering in the snow. Up you go. A kind hand lifts it up. A warm and steamy bath just for me. Warm rainbow water melts the chilly snow away. Feeling cozy and super happy. This is the best. Yikes! A sticky black oil spill. Don't worry, a helping hand is here. Look, so much fluffy fun foam. The yucky oil is magically washing away. Clean again! Time for a happy wiggle dance. Stuck in the thick mud, I can't move. Goodbye, heavy mud. I feel so much lighter. A powerful spray to wash every last bit of mud. So shiny and clean, ready to roll again. A super sticky spider web. I'm trapped. Please help me. A kind hand is here. The sticky web is melting into magic foam. I'm free. Time to dance with my crane. Achoo! A big cloud of white cement dust. Hold on tight. The gentle hand has me now. The white dust is turning into gooey yellow slime. All clean. Let's spin this drum super fast.
Dig, dig, dig goes the excavator brave, but dusty dirt made him sadly wave. Gentle hand comes wash and spray. Now he's sparkling, hip, hip, hooray. Push, push, push goes the bulldozer strong. So cold where he's been all along. A warm rainbow stream, a happy sound. Now he's cozy, rolling all around. Vroom, vroom, vroom goes the big dump truck. Sticky, yucky oil left him stuck. With fluffy foam so white and fun. Now he's dancing under the sun. Roll, roll, roll goes the roller green. The sticky mud, he can't be seen. A powerful splash, a happy wiggle. Now he's shiny with a little giggle. Lift, lift, lift goes the crane so high. Caught in a spider web, oh my, my. The soapy bubbles set him free. Now he's dancing 1, 2, 3. Spin, spin, are blue, covered in dust and said achoo. The dust turned